Well, Neeraj Chopra has made India proud yet again. The star javelin thrower has won the first silver medal for India in Paris Olympic 2024. Neeraj threw a distance of 89.5 meters, his season's best throw so far, bettering the throw of 89.34 meter he had scored in the qualification round. Now, Pakistan Arshad Nadeem, however, walked away with the gold medal with a stunning throw of 92.97 meters. Now, Nadeem broke the earlier Olympic record of 90.57 that was set in 2008 by a Beijing Olympic during the Beijing Olympic by a Norway athlete. Now, as far as the bronze medal is concerned, that has been won by Grenada's Anderson Peter. She has backed. They have backed the bronze medal with a throw of 88.54 meter. Now, congratulatory messages have started pouring in for Neeraj Chopra as far as India is concerned after he did the nation proud, adding a silver shine to the India's medal tally. As far as Prime Minister is concerned, he took to X platform to say that Neeraj Chopra is excellence personified and that he will continue to motivate countless upcoming athletes to pursue their dreams to make our nation proud. Now, several ministers, sportspersons, prominent personalities from the film industries and also the entertainment industry to shout praises on Neeraj Chopra for his back-to-back Olympic medals. Now, this is as far as the win of Neeraj Chopra is concerned. He has added a silver medal to the tally of India as far as Paris Olympics are concerned. In fact, this is his second consecutive medal. Last time he won was a gold medal in Tokyo 2020 and now a silver medal in Paris Olympics. Now, while celebrations broke out at Neeraj's native village in Haryana's Panipat, we have exclusively spoken to the star player. Take a look.
How does it feel? क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं इस वक्त? गोल्ड टोक्यो में, सिल्वर आज, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल, अपने देश के लिए जब भी मेडल जीतते हैं तो खुशी होती है और बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली आप पूछोगे कि टोक्यो में और यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस अलग है। वहाँ पे मौका मिला था अपना राष्ट्रगान बजवाने का और आज वो नहीं हो पाया, तो पर फिर भी वही जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था कि स्पोर्ट्स में अप डाउन होता है और जो भी रिजल्ट होता है हमको एक्सेप्ट करके अगले कंपटीशन पे उस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। जो भी रिजल्ट है अपनी कंट्री के लिए मेडल जीता तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात है और जो कमी रही हैं उन पे काम करेंगे और थ्रो भी अच्छी रही है, सीजन बेस्ट थ्रो थी और अभी करनी है और मेहनत।
भारत की जनता को इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान देखने में बहुत मजा आता है और आज जैवलिन में भी वो हुआ, अरशद टॉप पर, आप सेकंड, तो थोड़ा अरशद के बारे में बताइए। आप लोगों का बॉन्ड भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, आज वो गोल्ड मेडल जीते हैं, आप सिल्वर जीते हैं।
चलो भगवान की दया से आज जैसा वही मैं बोल रहा था कि आज अरशद का दिन था। 2016 से मैं अरशद के साथ कंपटीशन खेल रहा हूँ, तो ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि अरशद के साथ कंपटीशन करके और अरशद जीता है, तो आज बिल्कुल भगवान अरशद के साथ था। और बस इंडिया वालों को यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत मेहनत करेंगे आगे और जो शायद कुछ ना कुछ कमियां हैं या जो इंजरी है उनको ठीक करके आगे और अच्छा करेंगे। सपोर्टर को ये मैसेज देंगे कि थैंक यू सो मच हमेशा सपोर्ट करने के लिए और जो भी रिजल्ट रहा इस बार ओलंपिक्स में अपना काफ़ी अच्छा था। हमारे एथलीट्स बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके आए थे, तो आप ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करते रहिए और हम मेहनत करके अपनी कंट्री के लिए जितना ज़्यादा कोशिश करेंगे मेडल जीतने की और फ्यूचर में और ज़्यादा मेडल जीतेंगे। और
supporters of Neeraj Chopra have continued to gather here. They have been here and everybody is extremely happy with his performance and have been very proud of him. Isha Mishra with Parvez Raza for Times Now. कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप सब?
बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ। देश की झोली में एक सिल्वर मेडल और जुड़ गया।
क्या सेलिब्रेशन के प्लान है? सेलिब्रेशन की क्या प्लान है?
अभी फैमिली बैठ के प्लान करेगी, 2-4 दिन के अंदर सारा परिवार बैठ के बात करेगा कि इसको कैसे सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए।
पर आप लोगों में बहुत उत्साह है, कैसे मतलब अभी कैसा सब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? नीरज की मम्मी कैसा फील कर रही है? नीरज की मम्मी कैसा फील कर रही है?
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही है। वो भी बेटा, जिसका बेटा सिल्वर मेडल लेके आया हो देश के लिए, वो अच्छा ही फील करेगी।
Well, you heard the reaction of Neeraj Chopra right after he bagged the silver medal in. He said, "Aur mehnat karni hai." In fact, saying that up down is part of the sports, and in fact, but he was a little disappointed. What we could see that he said that we could not get the Indian anthem played, is what he said. Now, let us show you as far as the reactions that are coming in from all the leaders to entertainment industry. Let me read out this reaction that has come from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that he'll continue to motivate countless athletes as far as Neeraj Chopra is concerned. He also went on to say that Neeraj Chopra is excellence personified. This is the reaction right after he won the silver medal. All the congratulatory messages that are coming in. He is excellence personified. He will, time and again, he has shown his brilliance, because we saw his performance in Tokyo Olympics in 2020 when he won the gold medal. And then he also goes on to say that India is elated, yet another Olympic success. So this is quite important, because this is the first silver medal as far as Paris Olympics is concerned. Congratulations to him on winning the silver medal. So this is the tweet that has come from the Prime Minister as soon as Neeraj Chopra won the silver medal. He'll continue to motivate countless athletes, because we've been seeing reaction from a lot of other people who also play javelin. They are quite excited when excellence gets silver shine. This is what Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has said. A remarkable feat. Neeraj Chopra is a reaction coming from Union Minister Kiran Rijiju as far as his victory is concerned. He also goes on to say, "Your relentless pursuit of excellence made us proud again." So for the second time, Neeraj Chopra has made us proud. Smriti Irani, former Union Minister, goes on to say, "Congratulations, Neeraj, on your stellar achievements." So congratulatory messages pouring in from politicians and also from other industries. "You make us incredibly proud. Cheer Bharat." A reaction coming from Smriti Irani. Gautam Gambhir, Indian cricket team's head coach, goes on to say that the icon never returns without bringing joy to every Indian, because for Indians, sports is like a religion, and this also feels like a personal victory for all the Indians. He also goes on to say, this is a reaction coming from Virender Sehwag, former Indian cricketer. He said, "Back-to-back individual medals is an outstanding feat. In Tokyo Olympics, he got the gold medal, and now in Paris Olympics, he has bagged the silver medal, making our country proud." Back-to-back individual medals is something that everybody is proud of. Now, let me take you through the throws that were made by individuals in that sport. Arshad Nadeem, who bagged the gold, he made a throw of 92.97 meters. Neeraj Chopra, as far as he's concerned, he made a throw of 89.45 meters. And Anderson Peters from Grenada, in fact, made a throw of 88.45 meters. So this bagged him the gold, this bagged him the silver, and this bagged the bronze medal as far as Paris Olympics is concerned. We have also spoken to the President of Athletics Federation of India. Have a look.
It's been a historic day at Paris 2024. Neeraj Chopra has won the silver medal in javelin throw. Sir, double Olympic medalist Neeraj Chopra. How does that sound? How proud are you? How proud is the Athletics Federation of India?
No, I think he's done something which nobody's ever done before. He's the Asian champion, the Commonwealth champion, the world champion, Olympic champion. And today I think he did fantastically well, especially coming back from an injury and doing his season's best performance. He threw more here than he threw in Tokyo to get the gold medal. So he's done everything that he had to. It was just that the other athlete threw better. You also have to remember that there were 4 people who have thrown 90 meters and above. He has never thrown 90 meters. So I think it's a fantastic performance. I think he fought like a tiger, and he is a tiger, and he's one of the greatest athletes India has ever produced.
And so have you managed to speak to him? What is he like? What's the mood like? What is he thinking?
I've not been able to speak to him. I just waved to him, stuff like that, because they take them straight to the mix zone and then for dope control, etc. So I will talk to him later in the evening and And of course, tomorrow I'll spend some time with him.
After Tokyo, 7th August was going to be celebrated as Javelin Day. What is 8th August going to be celebrated as?
I don't know what it, but yesterday we did celebrate 7th of August. Thousands and thousands and thousands of children across the country have taken part in the competition. There's some lovely pictures that came to me. I was not there, but I think it's a movement that we've created, and I'm looking forward to greater things.
Sir, Olympics in Europe, but the 1-2 belongs to Asia, Pakistan and India. A good side for the future.
No, absolutely. I think Asia has been, sort of underrated. People think that Asians can't win. I think Asians can win, whether it's India, Pakistan, China, Japan, and with the World Championships next year in Japan and 2 years later in China, you will see Asia really putting everything it can and moving up to becoming a real power.
And more medals from athletics for India.
I hope so.
Thank you, sir, for speaking to us.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Well, so we have India has in fact bagged the silver medal. But let me tell you one thing. August 7th is in fact celebrated as National Javelin Day in India, because on 7th August 2021, Neeraj Chopra had made a history by throwing the javelin, and that is why August 7th is celebrated as National Javelin Day. A day later, 3 years later, he has bagged silver for India. A proud moment for the entire country. With this, we